You're welcome to my today's channel. You're welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm so grateful. Thank you for stopping by to watch me. You're welcome to Crystal channel. So in today's learning in Igbo language, don't forget this channel is all about learning Igbo language. So do English has their own name. We Igbos also have our own names we call things. So in today we'll be learning akoko aka. Akoko aka, pass of the hand, from the nail to the waist. Wrist is hand. So now we'll be learning pass of hand in Igbo language. Very simple. Very simple. So now we are going to start with nail. Nail in English is called nail. In Igbo we call it mkpịsị aka. Mbọ mkpịsị aka. Mbọ mkpịsị aka. This mkpịsị aka, that is finger. Mkpịsị aka, the nail. Mbọ mkpịsị aka. Then thumb, isi mkpịsị aka. Thumb, isi mkpịsị aka. Desk, mkpịsị aka desk. Mkpịsị aka desk. Middle finger, mkpịsị aka etiti. We call it mkpịsị aka etiti in Igbo. Ring finger, ring finger, ring finger. Where we do put ring. In Igbo we call it mkpịsị aka mgbanaka. Mkpịsị aka mgbanaka. Pinky finger. In Igbo we call it aka mkpịsị aka ikpeazụ. Fist. In Igbo we call it ọkpụ aka. Ọkpụ aka. Palm. In Igbo we call it ọbụ aka. Ọbụ aka. Thank you. I hope you have learned something good today. Till then, see you. Make sure you click on the subscribing button and click on notification to notify you when I come up with something new. Till then, thank you. Bye.